The X-Raid family continues to grow. X-Raid competed in the 2023 Dakar Rally with 2 Mini John Cooper Works Plus in T1 Plus category. With the new Desert Racer, X-Raid not only wanted to have a say in the overall victory, but also to take a leading role in the area of sustainability for vehicles with combustion engines. The MINI JCW Rally Plus runs on 2nd generation HVO fuel. The biodiesel is made from used vegetable fats and plastic bottles, for example. As a result, the fuel does not compete with food production like HVO1. In addition, in the future, the engine power will no longer be regulated by an air restrictor, but electronically. Together with the HVO fuel, X-Raid thus achieves an enormous CO2 saving. The MINI JCW Rally Plus is based on the all-wheel drive MINI JCW Rally, and thus retains the typical Mini appearance in many areas. Noticeable exterior changes are the longer and wider front and the wider wings. In addition, the engineers were able to optimize the aerodynamics, which improved the cooling of the brakes and dampers. The T1 Plus category was introduced in 2022 and is a mixture of the 4-wheel drive and buggy regulations. For example, the MINI JCW Rally Plus features all-wheel drive, paired with a wider wheelbase, increased track width, and higher suspension travel. However, the ability to control tire pressure from the cockpit is reserved for the buggy category. On December 31st, 2022, the MINI JCW Rally Plus celebrated its debut at the prologue to the Dakar Rally. Like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.